Welcome to Hong Kong and Stanley Beach and the market here on the southeastern part of the Hong Kong island. Just gonna walk around the area, this cool area with this background restaurant. Gonna have some nice food here in the background later. Wow, take a look at this total craziness. We have the lobster here. Let's have a bite. Wow, and that is dropping from all the roast cheese. Getting crazy. I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this and see a bit later. We have some insane chicken drumstick, and we have some nice sweet and sour pork. We have some pineapple, we have an oyster and a lot of fantastic vegetables. I'm just gonna dive in here and enjoy it, so let's try it. Here we have some insanely tasty looking ribs. Wow, let's try Chinese ribs, that's amazing. Ooh, let's take a look at this chicken piece. Let's have a bite. So juicy. That is definitely very crispy. You can see all the meat here in the background. Let's have a crazy bite. That is amazing. But first, gonna show you a bit of the background with some nice drone shots. Good morning and welcome to Hong Kong. I'm walking here in the Sign Point area on Hong Kong Island, but I'm actually on the way to Mong Kok, an area, it's actually one of the most densely populated places in the world. Gonna meet up a friend that I haven't met in, I think, 12 years, pretty crazy. Just having a bit of a coffee here, walking around. Gonna show you a bit the background here, walking. Just gonna take the MTR, and maybe later we'll go to the beach or something. We'll see where the day takes us. Looking forward to it, so see you on the way there. Okay, so they're done with the subway now. We're gonna go from the Sign Point and all the way up to Mong Kok here on the other side. Gotta switch the lane. Quite interesting, cool air conditions in here. Hope we'll make it there fast and meet up. Definitely quite a lot of people here in Hong Kong, everywhere. You gotta be careful. Gonna switch the line now towards the TST one, the Swim one, the red line here. Red in the background, as you can see. Just gonna go down here, switch over, hope we'll arrive in Mong Kok very soon. Nice, now we actually arrived to Mong Kok here. It's a lot of tall buildings, and actually in the evenings a lot more neon signs in the background here, all these small streets. We'll see if I come back later. I'm also gonna go to TST. I think all these places are a bit cozy here, maybe in the evening. It's a lot of shops here, you can buy like bags and stuff. Gonna walk around, meet up the friend in a place called The Forest, so we'll see what's in there. Yeah, so just walking around the street here, meeting up with my friend here. Hi, nice to meet you after 11 years. Now we're gonna go and have some lunch in Wanchai. It's gonna be some, I think, steak and lobsters and good stuff. It's fun to walk around here and check all these stores everywhere. We have a lot of foot locker stores, but yeah, end of the shopping, time for food. Yeah, it was a bit unexpected and spontaneous, but we went to this bar. Actually, it's on the 180th floor on top of Ritz Carlton. I've been here once before, very fancy normally, but apparently there's like a burger pop-up here with a lobster and burger. Really, really nice. I'm gonna wait for that burger and enjoy this crazy view in the background here. It's a bit bright here, but in the evening, of course, very nice. I'm gonna sit down here and indulge a little bit. You never know what happens in life. You gotta seize the moment. This summer friend was here yesterday, randomly met up, and now we're gonna have this amazing food. So gonna enjoy this and share a bit with you. I'll see you a bit later. Wow, it seems like we're getting the food here. That's some crazy stuff. Wow, we're getting the lobster. That's looking crazy. Yeah, now we got some completely insane meal. We have the burger in the background with the lobster, and we have a lot of salad and fantastic bread. And just gonna enjoy this. It's gonna be totally amazing. Wow, take a look at this total craziness. We have the lobster here. Let's have a bite. Wow, that is dropping from all the roast cheese. Getting crazy. I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this and see a bit later. That is completely insane. Yeah, as you clearly could see, that was a pretty insane meal with the lobster, you know, this truffle and the brie and the burger. I very seldom eat this kind of stuff, but when on vacation, it's fine. Now I'm walking here in Stanley inside, took the bus from Central. You have a lot of cool shots in the skyline passing by, driving all over Hong Kong Island. Then you get to this kind of tropical side of the southeast part of Hong Kong Island. Just gonna walk a little bit along the water here and actually go to the beach. get some nice swimming in, then probably walk back along the coastline, maybe get some drone shots. Really amazing, have all these tropical vibes going on in the background, so it's gonna continue walking. See you there. It suddenly got a bit cloudy, but I'm walking along this Stanley Promenade here, looking out over the bay. A lot of other people here, but not too warm, so I'm not complaining. And then they have this pretty cool kind of temples in the background on the top here. I'm gonna walk to the beach, probably have a quick swim. My battery is dying a bit, so I'm gonna keep it short. Hopefully the rain doesn't attack me later, then probably go back in there. But first, let's get some water on our skin. There are quite a few different beaches around here, but this one is a bit of a hidden gem here. I think they don't have as many public facilities here as the other ones with like showers and stuff, which is really fantastic here in Hong Kong. I'm just gonna get changed here, I think, quickly. Jump here, take a bit of a quick swim, so see you there. Yeah, let's jump in. That was definitely very refreshing, but now let's go back to the city. Amazing, so that was a pretty nice swim, that's for sure. But now we're back in the big city here, downtown Hong Kong. And like someone said, it feels like you're almost in New York or Manhattan. You have these really big buildings, this warm, very dynamic environment, a lot of cool stuff in the background. But as came through in for the beach, it's definitely a very unique combo. So now I'm just gonna walk back to the hotel, get some nice steps here, enjoy some of these amazing views, a lot of skyscrapers, and then definitely get ready for dinner. So yeah, see you there. Yes, after a lot of walking through these really cool areas, a lot of skyscrapers, really nice backgrounds, I definitely feel some vibes here, as I mentioned, with kind of New York. You have all these cool skylines. I'm walking once again here downtown. I'm gonna go and eat. The sun is set and there are restaurants everywhere. I definitely want something very local, Cantonese. Gonna meet up some friends very soon here on the other side of the water actually. But I just love when you walk in the street, the lights are coming up. So many tasty stuff everywhere. You can see like the meat and all these goodies hanging in the stores. I'm just gonna share some of the views here before I go and find the restaurant. But just gonna keep on walking here along the road. I'm sure we're gonna find something, so hopefully we'll be there very soon. Actually, I found this really local place here. You can pick everything in the background. You have a lot of cool chicken wings and some ribs and oysters, even some crab. Probably not the healthiest, but that looks too bad to not try. I think I'm gonna have a bit of a bite here. Let's see. This is looking amazing. Let's try it. Yes, one of this. Yeah. No rice, no rice, no rice. This. Yes, that looks good. 1, 2, and this. Okay. Oh yes. And then this. Yeah. Some sweet and sour pork. It's looking crazy good. Amazing. Okay. Okay. And can have this on the side, maybe separate. Skipping the rice, having some vegetables inside. Fantastic. You know, some broccoli and some gala. Amazing. We have the oysters. Yes, very good. Let's get it. Okay, that was slightly unexpected. 100 Hong Kong dollar. That is cheap. Yes, very good. Let's try it. Bye bye. A little long line here. I think I stopped the whole store, but that was crazy good. Very local place here. Hing Wong Kitchen. Okay, let's find somewhere to sit down and enjoy it. Yeah, I definitely didn't plan to do takeout. I actually never do takeout, but that looks very local, or looked very local. I just had to try it. I'm going to walk up here, see if we can find somewhere to sit outside actually. Maybe some public place. It's warm at least, that's for sure. We have all these amazing cozy lights, so see if we can find some park and sit down. So I actually managed to find a bit of a food court here. I could have just bought the food here, I guess, but there's a lot of more stuff. Maybe we can try even more later. But I'm gonna try and enjoy this. We have some insane chicken drumstick, and we have some nice sweet and sour pork. We have some pineapple. We have an oyster and a lot of fantastic vegetables. I'm just gonna dive in here and enjoy it. So let's try it. Here we can see a nice sweet and sour chicken. I think it's kind of called orange chicken. Some places when you try it abroad, I think I tried it in the US before. So I bite. Crunchy. Not too sweet actually, very nice. We have some really amazing potatoes here. It's not so common to eat potatoes here in China actually, but this is very good. Let's try it. Pepper, fantastic. Ooh, let's take a look at this chicken piece. Let's have a bite. So juicy. This pepper sauce is totally incredible. Here we have some insanely tasty looking ribs. Wow, let's try Chinese ribs. That's amazing. We have some interesting looking chicken here. Let's have a bite. soy sauce, very, very good. And I think there's some interesting mushrooms here hanging around. Now have a look at this oyster. It's tricky to eat, I think. You gotta scoop it out. Ooh, that is a lot of meat. Let's try it. Yeah, I was never really a fan of seafood growing up here in China. They really make it really nice. We have a lot of amazing vegetables here. Let's try. So easy to make, but always tasty. You have this amazing broccoli stuff. Get it. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish up with this amazing orange chicken here. It's been a nice day exploring a bit of Mong Kok, meeting friends, going to the beach, exploring. Just gonna walk a bit here, take a look at the nice evening lights in the background, enjoy this. Then we'll see what's gonna happen, meet my friend. But if you want to see more discounted stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. I just walked past the store here and they have this suckling pig here. I'm not sure you can see. They had some spare pieces. I gotta try it. Oh yes, I had to just show this kind of bonus clip here. I was walking around, find this suckling pig in the background. Totally incredible. Even though it's not the healthiest, definitely gotta try it. A lot of fat, but let's have a bite here. Take a look at this crispy pig skin. Let's have a bite. A lot of meat, a lot of fat, a lot of great energy and fantastic taste. Yeah, I'm gonna have a final bite here. Enjoy. Then we'll see you in the next video.